Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. Woo, I was sweating. Just want to tell you guys this fix that I had for this problem. And if you guys are watching this video, I'm pretty sure you guys had this problem too, and you're probably sweating like I was. And I'm gonna give you guys a quick fix. So it's a pretty warm day today. AC was working fine, and I noticed, like, out of nowhere, my AC started having issues. Like it wasn't running. All right, I turned the AC on. The AC is on, but it's not running. Like, I'm not getting cold air. Like, something was wrong. So if you guys have this problem, I'm pretty sure you guys are going to, well, you guys are probably crossing your fingers hoping that there's an easy fix for this. And I'm hoping that I give you guys an easy fix for this, because if you guys don't know anything about AC issues as far as troubleshooting leaks and stuff like that, they're extremely, let's just say, hard to diagnose the exact place where the leak is coming from, or why you're not getting AC, etc. Okay, so I'm gonna give you like a breakdown of what you guys should look for if you guys have this issue. All right, first of all, what you guys want to do is I'm gonna give you some easy fixes. All right, I'm sure you guys are hot right now, and you guys are like, let's hope there's an easy fix for this, because there's nothing worse than sitting in your car, whether it's rolling or not, and it's just like an oven. All right, so hopefully this can fix your issue. All right, so first of all, you want to know whether you guys have a leak in the system. All right, an AC leak. All right, because if you guys have an AC leak, that pretty much, a lot of times, that really much, that you got to fix that leak. All right, stop leak might work for a little while, but if you guys have a leak, there's a chance that you guys probably, you could put Freon in there, and then a day later it's all gone, 2 days later it's all gone, a couple hours later it's all gone. All right, for the most part, the stop leak and the AC leak actually works on the valves. All right, now the valve stems on the high line and the low line, they don't cost much. You could probably buy a pack of like 10 of them for like $10. All right, if that's the problem, all you got to do is essentially just swap out the valve stem. All right, now if you guys have a leak on one of the pipes, if you guys want to diagnose it, all you guys got to do is either get to the high line or the low line stem valve, and that's pretty much the you want to unscrew it, and you want to just take like maybe a screwdriver and just a flathead and just pop it in there. Pop it on the stem just a little bit, just to see if there's any pressure. All right, be careful doing it, just to see if there's any pressure. And you might want to do it looking away from you, because you don't want that AC Freon spilling all over the place around you. So you want to just, if there's no pressure, it's a diagnosis that you have a leak. All right, and if that's the case, you're gonna have to resolve that first. All right, now if you're in a lucky situation where that's not the case and it's pressurized, you could also buy one of those Freon level meters, pop it on, and it'll tell you whether there's any kind of what the pressure is. If you have a pressurized system, that's kind of a good thing. It's kind of a good thing. All right. Now let's go on to what you need to look for if you have a pressurized system. All right. Now you want to make sure that the AC compressor is working. All right, and the AC compressor essentially cycles. It kind of depends on which cars you have. Some of these cars have electric AC compressors where they're a little bit more difficult to diagnose. But if you have a regular AC compressor that's driven by a belt, there's a piston that actually, well, I call it a piston, but it cycles every it cycles. It's not going to turn all the time. All right, you want to spot to see whether it's cycling or not. All right, if it's not cycling, it could be a couple of things. It could be either A, the AC compressor that's broken, or B, a relay that's broken, or C, a fuse that might be connected to the AC compressor that's blown. All right. Now, here's the easy fix to this. Here's the easy fix. If you guys have a fuse for the AC compressor or any portion of the AC system, now it's not. It kind of depends on the car as far as the fuse is concerned, but most cars actually have a relay. All right. What you want to do is you want to find out where that relay is. You want to pop that relay out, and hopefully you have another relay in that relay fuse box that is similar to the AC compressor relay. All right. You pop that out and then you pop it in. Now, if after you do that and then you turn your AC on and it works, that's your quick fix. It would be the relay that you need to replace. It's a I don't know, a $15 part at most at AutoZone, and you can pretty much replace it. That's your AC fixed. Your AC problem is fixed if you have that particular type of something. Now, if your relay is good and your fuse is good and your pressure is good, then your main problem would be probably the AC compressor that you need to replace. All right. And obviously replacing an AC compressor, unless you're good mechanically, and it kind of depends on which car you have. Some cars are more difficult than others, but most of the time you're either a good mechanic and you can do it yourself, or for the most part you're gonna have to bring it to the shop or somebody to do it for you. Unfortunately, if they're gonna replace the AC compressor, they're gonna have to evacuate the lines and all that stuff. It could run you up to $700-800, maybe even $1,000 after everything's said and done. Hopefully that's not your situation. Hopefully your situation is the relay. Swap out the relay and you get yourself AC in your vehicle. All right, guys. Hope this has helped you guys out as far as your AC issues. Hope that this fixes your issue. If you guys have any of your own personal comments on this, any of your own personal experience on this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. It might help somebody else out. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. All that good stuff, right, guys? Take care.